Yo, what up, JBlanked here. Today we are taking this thing, the FlipperZero, and sampling its buzzer to make a hip hop beat. Let's go. First, we gotta get the sound. The FlipperZero has a little buzzer and the community has already made some apps for it. I'm using one called Zero Tracker that already has a full melody track. There's no line out on the Flipper, so we're going to use a microphone right up on the speaker. Let's record it in Logic Pro. Now we're going to chop it up and find the tempo. Now we're going to drop the tempo to 70 and then add it in Maschine. Okay, we're in Maschine. I'm going to load my drum kit and drag the sample in. Now let's lay it down and change the BPM. Now we're going to change to ADSR. And now we're ready to go. Let's hear it. Now we're going to add some drums. And now we're going to quantize. Let's hear it. Okay, now we're going to add the 808. And here we go. Now let's quantize, back to pad mode, hear it from the beginning. Yes, sir! We just need to add some melodies, spice up a hi-hat. Let's spice up the hi-hats a bit. And there you go. We started with a little buzzer sound on the FlipperZero, took it into Logic Pro, chopped it up, slowed it down, threw it into Maschine, added some drums to it, and built a whole hip hop track. Yes, sir. If you enjoyed the video, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment and let me know what crazy thing I should sample next, or if you want to hear the full beat. Thanks for watching. Peace.